derbies by now. This thing has been coming in here and smashing. Now he's had to put some heads on a weld, smash it out. It was parked in the woods for 3 years. And then they actually put some paint on a little bit, but it's still pretty much exactly how it was in the woods. But tell you a little secret, this next guy, his boss is driving here, the boss that he works for. So he's a little worried. It's Jay Garman back here up there. You know, now he's a little worried about it. Now he's not. He really wants to take out his boss. Folks, it takes a lot of work. Most of these companies, look at this. I mean, they got batteries, ratchets strapped up in here. Thank you. On behalf of all of us at Buck Motorsports Park, we realize you have a choice in where you spend your time. Now, Caleb says this thing is really fast. He says, I have no idea. But he thinks that's the fastest combine, that yellow combine. So we'll see. For a little bit, and the referee said, get back in the ring. There comes CJ, watch out for the Joker. Cleaner's trying to start. He's just pushing around. Watch out! Look out! Get your cameras ready! It's the boss versus the employee over there. Yeah, you got it. That New Holland is fast. Watch out. He's trying to get it in gear right now. There he is. There we go. Our winningest. size to a small size, just like that. Still running strong though. Versus Maryland, that's what it's coming down to. Pennsylvania, the 644. Wheels competitors, please report. Jeff Henry, the old man, getting his check and trophy right now.
I'm the son of a third-generation farmer. I've been married 10 years to a farmer's daughter. I'm a God-fearing, hard-working combine driver, hogging up the road on my plower, chug-a-lug-a-lugging 5 miles an hour on my internet.